Hi friends, today I will show you how to create like this magazine in Photoshop CC 2019. Let's do. First open your Photoshop, open your folder, right click, go to your properties, details, 647, height should be 850. Copy in your notepad, 649, 647, height should be 850, resolution should be 100. Now minimize your notepad, open your Photoshop, create new. Now copy your width and height. Width should be 647, height should be 850, resolution should be 100. Now create. Now take any one image, drag and drop to your Photoshop. It should be in PNG, not in JPEG. In last class, I have shown how to remove background image. Go and see. Once go and see how to remove background from your photo. Now drag and drop your image into your Photoshop. Press I for eyedropper tool. Copy this color. Switch the color mode. Control backspace or fill the color. Now copy in your notepad all the text. Now copy your all text. Now see the reference image. Copy the color code. Control backspace for fill the color. Right click, rasterize. Press T for text tool. Change the color as black. Drag. Change the name. scale little. Now I will fast the video. See friends, the magazine has completed. Now I will show you in PNG format. Go to your my computer, open your D drive. See friends, like this you will do magazine in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. If you like this video, please like, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In next class, I will show you how to create a school brochure design in Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. Thank you.